Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this tutorial I am going to make this a very easy and a cool pen stand, and I made this pen stand using a paper, and there are total 8 upper pockets for big items, and for small items there are small pockets. So this I made using only a sheet of paper. So I hope you like this, and let's start a video. Let's see how to make this. Before starting, if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe and click on bell notification for getting my latest uploads. So let's start, guys. So guys, सबसे पहले हमने लिया है क्राफ्ट पेपर, और अब ये तो है A4 साइज शीट, और अब हम इसे करने वाले हैं स्क्वायर में. सो गाइस, आप ओरिजिन ही कर रहे हैं तो आपको स्क्वायर में करना पेपर को तो बहुत ही जरूरी है. तो लेट्स कट इट इन स्क्वायर विथ मैजिक. So guys, we have cut it into a square. Now we have to do that. We have to fold it into a half like this, and then you can see that we have folded into a half, and it is divided into 2 parts. Now we have to again fold it into 2 parts from the both sides like this. So now it will form a door like shape like this, and we have to do same horizontally also. So let's do. So guys, we have done. We have folded it, and we have a checks like squares on our page. Now guys, we have to do the same from this side. Now we have done the same. Now we have to take the corners and fold like this, the squares into half, and these are looking that we have made a triangle. Now we have to do on all the 3. Now guys, we have done. Now we have to, you can see that we have folded into, we have made it a hexagon. Now we have to do like this. We have to fold this curve in, like this, and from this side also. So our door is like this. Now we have to take it horizontally only, and this the upper line, you can see this. You have to fold this back side like this, and same on the other side like this. Now you have to only do this. You have to insert one of them into the another like this. You can see that you have to insert it completely to make it a triangle. Now guys, we have to make the cuts crisp. We have to apply some pressure. So now this triangle or one piece of a pen stand is ready. So we have to make one another from this red sheet also. So guys, we are having the 4 parts that we have made by using this process, and guys, now we have to only do that. We have to paste them like this, I am going to add only 4. If you want, then you can add as many as you can. So let's paste them by using Fevicol MR. So let's do that. So guys, now we have pasted it, and it is looking so cool. And if you want, then you can add 2 more, so it will form a complete circle, but I don't need that. You can place this one at very little space. It covers very little space and carries too much of products in it. Now guys, we have to you can see that there is a hole, they are empty hellos. Now we have to cover the back side. For covering this, I am going to use the chart paper only, and I am going to cut 4 triangles out of chart papers and then paste them. So let's cut them out with the magic. So guys, now I have pasted in the downside. You can see I have pasted a white sheet of paper. Now you can store big items such as scissors, sketch pens, markers or brushes, and many more. And guys, you can see here are small pockets. So in these pockets you can store the small items like earbuds, U-pins, or other small items. You can also store in these small pockets. Here are 4 small pockets, and upside for bigger items there are also 4 bigger pockets, and you can also store some big items such as scissors in this small pockets. You can see that I have placed it. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you are having any problem regarding this video, let me know in the comment box. And if you have not seen my other step-by-step or easy and cool DIY, I will provide you in the description box. You can see from there. And guys, or if you have not seen my step-by-step portrait tutorials, then I am also a sketch. I am an artist, so I will provide you the link in the description box. And other pen stands, I have made 2 more pen stands. If you have not seen, I will provide you in the description box. You can see from there. So we will meet in next video. Till that, do practice, do improve. Take care, bye, and thanks for watching.